So there are few things you must keep in mind for a good IA. Okay, now IA is internal assessment. Okay, IA is internal assessment, which means that, one second, beta, IA is internal assessment, which means that this is the aspect which is going to be internally assessed by your school teacher and not externally by the IBDP. Okay, so what is IA? What will be assessed internally by the school? That is PI. A PI will be assessed by the school teacher. What is PI? It's a personal investigation. Okay. Now, as it says personal investigation, take it literally. See, whatever I'm saying, try to understand this, and whatever difficulty you are having in proceeding with the IA, it may help to a lot of extent. Sometimes the approach matters. Sometimes the approach matters. If you approach for a particular task with a different intention, the difficulty level is lesser. Okay. So if you look at the word personal investigation, it's personal investigation. What you in personal, like for example, if I'm talking about Vianka, so Vianka should think that it's my investigation. It's something that I have investigated. It's not something that I have read in the book. Like, we have been learning sciences since lower grades, but is even one thing investigated by you? Nothing. So you are just presented or provided the work which is investigated or discovered or invented by other scientists and researchers. And that is something that you learn. So whatever we learn in chemistry about stoichiometry, laws of equilibrium, kinetics, rates of reaction and this and that, all this is not investigated by you. It is ready-made given to you. This is an opportunity to investigate something on your own, which you have not read, which is not the information that is not provided to you in any book. It may happen that whatever you are going to investigate, that is already investigated elsewhere, but you're not aware of it. So it's a genuinely your own investigation. Your investigation may be right, may be wrong, it may be good, it may be bad, whatever it is, but it is your investigation. Please focus on this, what I'm saying. It's your investigation. It's my work. Okay, I know that 6.02 into 10 to the 23 is the Avogadro constant. Okay, fine, but that is found out by somebody else. Whatever I find out will be my investigation. So keep this in mind, that I'm going to investigate. Okay, now, if I'm going to investigate something, the question is, what am I going to investigate? Okay, ideally, it should come from you. Ideally, it should happen that because you're learning chemistry, at least since, I think, if you start learning sciences from, say, 5th grade, then this is your 7th year of learning science, and chemistry is one of the part of science. Somewhere in the journey of 7 years, you might have come across something which where you would have been more inquisitive. You want to know more about it. Maybe not in the educational aspect, but maybe in general. Okay, maybe in general, something like today's scenario. We are talking about the different vaccines. Okay, so Covishield hai, Covaxin hai, and there are Sputnik hai, and there are n number of vaccines all over the world. How every vaccine which has a different molecule, okay, does the same job, eventually does the same job in a different way, does the same job. Okay, now for a layman, it's like, okay, tune kya liya hai? Covishield. Oh yeah, good, chalo, Covishield is approved. If you want to travel, Covishield. Covaxin, oh, problem. because it's not approved by WHO. So if you want to travel, then that's not approved by them. So if you want to travel to UAE is not recognizing. No, so for a layman, they will talk about this. Okay, what is the price? 1250. What is the price? No, I took in the government, so that's free of cost. But you should look at this different vaccines, not from the WHO approval, not from the price point of view, not whether you took in the BKC thing, or you went to the Goregaon, or you took in the, just people came to your society. If you think at it, okay, how different molecules, okay, virus is basically a molecule, okay, it has a DNA, it's basically a chemical. How does it work differently but has the same effect? It creates antibodies in your body. So how different things will do the same job? Now, if you want to find out the effect of the vaccines, yeah, of course, the people who have found out that Covishield is 87% and Sputnik is 91% and all, okay, that they have done by a different data. I mean, that of course you cannot do that. They need volunteers, and they need certain thousands of volunteers whom they inject, and then they check, they follow up, and they found out that what is the impact, under what circumstances. And they also will check the volunteers from all age group, both the sexes, male and the female. Then somebody who has diabetes, somebody who has heart issues, a mother who's pregnant, and a child, a teenager, of 60 plus. So basically, that is their way to find out. That is the company's way to find out that what is the efficiency of this this antivirus. So exactly same thing you are doing. Their research question is different. Your research question is different. Their methodology is different. Of course, you can't go to that level, but you can of course go to a small level and then investigate something. Okay. So it is very important for you to want to discover something. I want to find out something. Like, to me, many students communicate, sir, this is what I want to find out. Is it good? Is it bad? My first question is that, do you really want to find it out? Are you really interested in knowing if, out of these 3 brands of orange juices, which one has more vitamin C? Are you serious? Or you just want to do it for the sake of it? Okay. So, and I use the word ideally. I know that practically speaking, everybody will not get this, that, oh yeah. Like I have always given this example. There are few examples which I have, in my past years students, which are genuine, and they're not made up. Like one of the students, I think I have shared this with you earlier, that his father was lactose intolerant, and right from the childhood. And when this child saw that his in his family, his father is not consuming the cow milk or the buffalo milk, but his milk comes different, so from other sources, non-dairy milk. Okay. So he always wanted to, he always had that question that why my father has to do that. And chalo, if he's doing that, is there any compromise in that? So when he joined IB, he was from ICSC. So when he joined IBDP, he took this opportunity. He took this opportunity to find out for his father that my father has been consuming this milk, but is there any compromise in that? So he literally took the samples of the milk that he used to he consumes, and with the buffalo milk, with the cow milk, and variety of milks, and he then did the research on that, and then he had this finding that whether there is a compromise or there is no compromise. So that's a personal engagement. Of course, I can't expect everybody to have such stories to make. So most of the students make up the story. Since in my childhood I was doing that, and the IB examiners, the one who will correct your IA, and the moderators, they understand that have you made it up or you have it's genuine. So ideally, start thinking. Your beginning should be start thinking, is there something that what I want to find out, something that is not given in the book, something not that is available on Google. Okay, but something that I want to find out, I want to investigate. Like, I give you example of determine the efficiency of Covishield. So of course they will have volunteers, of all age group, all both the sexes, and different disease, people with different morbidities, and so on, and they will observe and they'll keep a minute note of what happened. How many of them were infected again, and if they were infected, then to what level did they go? Did they, how severe was it? So they then compile the data in a proper manner and then evaluate that, analyze that, evaluate that. Also, they, apart from that, they will also have some things to say that, there is a scope for further investigation, that this investigation is not complete, this is scope for further investigation. That's the reason no vaccine is guaranteeing. No vaccine can guarantee, because there is always a scope for further investigation. So in the same way, even you can start thinking. Okay. So those who are struggling, I would say that change the approach. Do not do it for those 24 marks. Do not do it for those 24 marks. Marks will follow. Trust me on this. Trust me on this. Do not follow those 24 marks. 24 marks will come later. Understand? 24 marks ka question will come. How you present the data. Have you taken care of significant figures? How are you communicating? Like, we'll go through the criteria. So the assessment criterion is there, like how this 24 marks are distributed, 2 marks, 6 marks, 4 marks, whatever. So then once you have your eye ready, then you can check the criterion. Okay, personal engagement, I think there's 2 marks. So who will get 2 marks that they have written? Then you read your essay, your IA, and see, evaluate. Yeah, I think I have covered this point. Or no, I don't think I have covered this point. Let me frame it differently. So this 24 marks come later. This 24 marks ke liye little bit manipulation you can do. That is, and I will take you through the various aspects that you must go through. But like when you are starting to write, you should know, okay, a checklist. You should have a checklist. Okay, this. Yeah, I have covered this. Okay, so that you don't lose those 1 or 2 marks, everywhere, because you did not include the significant figures, because you did not, draw the tables, or whatever, the units were not given, or whatever. Okay, so now before I start the next thing, I want to emphasize once again that let the approach be different. Try to make it. They try to come from within you. That yeah, I want to investigate this. That's an opportunity for me to find out something. Okay. Trust me, marks are secondary. You'll take pride in the work, because it's your own work. Because it's your own work. Whether you get 7, you don't get 7. Trust me, that is secondary. Trust me, that is secondary. I have students. And I can give you names of your school. Students who were not assessed properly by the school. But trust me, today, they are not losers. They are not losers. So marks, yeah, it is important to a certain extent, but not beyond that. But what they really cherish is that, I did the IA with complete hard work. And that itself is a learning. Why? Because after IBDP, you're going to be in the college. Now, in the college, you will have to do this. Okay. So it's a training. This is your first ever investigation, but this is not the last one. So let this be your own work. Let this be with complete, insight and complete honesty. As I said, that it is very important. If you want to confirm this, there are certain pages that I will show. Go through the experts. Experts, matlab, I'm saying not the IB examiners, not the one who sets the paper, but the authors of the book. They are saying that topic is not important. Topic is not, yeah, framing in all important is important. What you want to investigate is not important. How did you do it? That is important. The marks are to do, how did you do it? Topic may be very simple, but if you do it with very honestly, and you should have a reason why you want to do that. And the way you investigated, proper data and no loopholes, I think that will impress the examiner. That will impress the examiner. So it is very important that I would really suggest you that make sure that you do it with from the bottom of your heart and complete honestly. In the long run, trust me, these marks are not going to affect you. So don't try to copy or something. No, it is not going to help you. The best way is to do it on your own. At least you will take pride that, yeah, I did it. It's my work. It's not somebody else's work. And I have got what I deserve. It may be good, it may be bad, whatever, but it's my work. Completely my work. Let's go ahead. Now I've made a file which is very random. Later on, I will just segregate that and send you. But we'll first go through the. When this file name I had kept as IA topics. This even you can do. What I'm showing you is no big deal. Just Google, suggest IA topics or best IA topics. You'll get a list. There are so many websites which will give you the list. Okay, this file I'm going to send you. Okay, so these are the idea. This is not the research question, like calculating absolute zero using gas volume. This is just one idea. Okay, so absolute zero, that it is 0 Kelvin minus 273 degree. Okay, but you want to find out. Okay, you want to find out that it is so. There is it's possible. Your answer may be not minus 273. Your answer may be minus 255 or minus 280 or minus 290. It may be not exactly minus 273, but at least you confirm that it is somewhere near, and then that, oh, I'm not doing it in a very foolproof way, the way the scientists have done. So there is a reason that you agree with that. So understand that you yourself confirmed that, yeah, absolute zero is minus 273. Okay, everybody else has just accepted blindly. You did not accept blindly. You yourself found out. So that's one example. So I will not go through all the topics here, but there are many. And this I have taken from one website. Again, I'm saying that this is no big deal. There are several. Okay, this is the checklist. This is the way it is suggested that this is the way you present your, this is the format basically, your entire work. Okay, now again, chemistry, 20 ideas. This is again the list. There is simulation maybe hai, VSEPR theory. You may go through this aram se and see what excites you. Ideally, as I said, that something should come within you and not referring to this. But as I said, that everybody will not have that, insight. Okay, I want to do this. My friend had a problem, so I want to find out for him what is it or whatever. For everybody, this story may not work. So you may read this and see what excites you. What excites you, and then you send me your research questions. More than 3. Okay, then I will tell you. I will give my suggestion. Okay, according to me, this is doable and this is better. This sounds good. This is good. Like this is something good. But eventually, you will take the decision. So, sir is saying topic A is good, but I think topic B excites me more. Don't listen to me. Go with topic B, because you will do better in topic B. Why? Because that is exciting you. That is exciting. If there is one place where I will show the IB corrected IAs. corrected by the IB examiners, and they give you a report. IB examiners will also write the report. Those reports are also there. I will send all that. Usme, if you see the examiner's report, they have either criticized the disinterest in the student, or they have appreciated the interest of the student. That student is genuinely want to do this, and he is very excited to do this. They can sense that excitation in your work. Examiners can sense the excitation in your work. So when you present the data, present the entire work, if it has come from bottom of your heart, definitely the other person will sense it, and that will fetch you more marks. Remember, that will fetch you more marks. Okay, so again, examining trends in the bond enthalpies. So there are several in that. Examining the trend in the bond enthalpy, there are several ideas. Energy content of the fuel, usme there are several ideas. Effect of concentration pressure on the reactant, so usme there are ideas. So you may go through this, and whatever excites you, you can think about it. But at least come with 3 ideas, 3 different ideas, and send me. Okay, all this you can go through this. Activation energy. Activation, and one more thing. Even if suppose activation energy is HL, and you're an SL student, doesn't matter. HL students should ideally do HL part, ideally, but not necessarily. If the SL part is something that is, again, that personal touch is there, personal in this thing, reasoning is there, please go ahead with that, because that's more important. Again and again, I'm saying that genuinity, honesty is more important. Okay, you may go through this. So there are several ideas, and on each idea there are further ideas. So, like for example, isomerism, which you have not done. It's an organic chemistry. So I think few schools have done organic chemistry. I think, yeah, SVKM has done, right, Karnika?
No, sir. He's just started up.
Yeah. Ara has done, no? Ara. ISL has done, yeah. But this polarimeter is HL, but that's okay. Okay, saponification or calorimeter, mineral content, so you may go through these. There's a big list. I'm sure that you will not need to do your own research. Again, IB ideas on stoichiometry, different ideas, topic wise. Calorimetry, different ideas. Chemical kinetics, different ideas. Organic chemistry, periodicity, and इसमें simulation and database and actual practical, all 3 are there. Like, you can see the
so
27. Yeah,
you're going to share this with us, right?
Everything.
Yeah.
No need to note down anything. Just listen to me. Do not keep a pen and a paper with you.
Yeah.
As you can see, that 27, which is how does the atomic radius and halogen electronegativity increase this thing for simulation software and using a simulation. So there are examples of simulation as well as database also, because COVID, if you do not get access, suppose the schools don't start, and God forbid if there is a 3rd wave, then you will not be able to access the school lab. Okay, so you can only do those experiments which something that you can perform at home with the evidences, or database, or secondary data, or simulation. Okay, so this is the only this thing here. So of course there are many ideas and research questions here which are not applicable. Many which are not applicable. So look into something that is applicable, something that you can perform at home. I will also share the work done by my previous students. Okay, but usme I will need to edit them. I will need to remove the name or something, or I don't know. I'm trusting you on that nobody will copy as it is. So I don't have to then spend my time on editing and all. So, and there are many yesterday I just downloaded all these years whatever I felt was good. So that also can give you an idea. Like I know one student, he was talking about the diapers. So diaper is something that you can do at home. Diapers may absorption. So adults diaper, like the grannies, grandmom, granddad, sometimes the age health wise they need to use the diaper. Also the diaper of a small child. He has experimented on both, that what are the factors that will affect the absorptivity, and what should you look into the diaper for an adult, and what should you look for a diaper for a baby. So something that you can do at home. Like he had bought diapers. In fact, his grandfather was using diaper, so he had used the same brand, and that's again a personal investigation, personal engagement. So usme, he had he had beautifully done, like small pieces, and beaker and water, and he put this thing, and then he also took the water of different pH by adding vinegar. If you don't have access to the acid, vinegar is also ethanoic acid. So then how did the absorption differ? There are many ideas. I'm sure that those who are struggling to find ideas, there is no limit to the ideas. There is no limit to the ideas. And that's one reason that I don't want to give ideas to you. Trust me, that's one reason I don't want to give ideas to you. You have n number of ideas here. Should come from you, and I'm sending you other ideas also. So let it come from you. Again and again, I'm saying, let it come from you. Okay, so here we have 50 ideas there. Okay, but again, I'm saying that all will not be sensible to you. There are many which you will not even, like for example, 49, make use of polarimetry about isomerism. You have no idea about that. Yeah, but you're going to learn it in HL, organic, end of grade 12. Okay, so that you can learn now also. That's fine. That's an easy thing. You already have notes on that. You can Google. You have textbook. So this is something that is in the syllabus. Yeah, your school is not done. JNIS is not done, but other schools have done it or are doing it. Okay, this is again another list of topics. So there are, I think, 200 plus topics that I'm giving you. When 3/4 will definitely work. Okay, now this is some of the links, pages whose link I have sent here, like block and yellow shaded and red. So these links I have given. I want you to go through this. Like this one is a chemistry tutor. He's a teacher, I think in UK. He's a single, like alone teacher. He's not belonging to any institute or something, but he's a chemistry teacher. But I found this guy very wonderful. If you in fact go through his entire website, there are several pages which may be helpful to you. So go through this. This will give you the guide I research question. So how do you find out the research question? And there are few PDFs which I have already downloaded, which I will be sending it to you. Okay, see, this is again, he's saying, this is not my word, but it should be clear that guidelines that you need to choose your own project and completely own work. Okay, this is again idea. What is the weaker research question? What is the stronger research question? So you should know that how do you frame the research question. So I want you to go through this also. Okay, of course I will not go through because I'll be just reading it. So there's no point in me going through it, but you can just go through 10-15 of them and see what is it trying to say, like what is there in the stronger research question which is missing in the weaker research question, so that you get an idea. So when you do your research, frame your research question, you don't lose marks on the research question. The teacher cannot object on that. Amount of aspirin in tablets. So for example, this one. So does amount of aspirin in different brands accurately match the label? This is the poor or not a good research question. Here, if you see, this research question is so detailed. What am I using? Back titration. Okay, to investigate whether the concentration of aspirin from more expensive tablets, matlab, instead of challenging the manufacturer, you are saying the perception is different now. You're talking about concentration of aspirin from more expensive tablets is higher after 30 minutes than the cheaper ones. So how do these two perform? Okay, these two, this thing. Tablets, the cheaper one and the expensive one for the aspirin. Okay, so here again, in all these calorimetry and how do you frame the research question, that is told here. So you must go through this. Gas chromatography, no, that's something that you cannot do at home. Mass measurements you can do. Okay, redox titrations. Spectroscopy and all you can't do. You need a spectrometer for that. But spectroscopy, you can take a secondary data because there are many R&Ds, institutions and organizations which publish their data. So spectroscopy. So different IR spectroscopy hai gaya, and NMR ho gaya. So there is data available of that. Okay, so that you can go. Secondary data you can use there. Okay, so that's the assessment criterion and total 24 marks. So this is how the marks are allotted. 2, 6, 6, 6, 4. Personal engagement, exploration, and but remember one thing: personal engagement is only 2 marks. Personal engagement is only 2 marks, but the rest of it, the rest of the topics will depend on the personal engagement. Like how good they are will depend on the personal engagement. Okay, then each one ka criteria. Like, what is the descriptor? What happened? Okay, so criterion you must read through as you are writing your IA, because it will tell you, for example, if this is descriptor, you can read your own. Before the teacher assesses you, you will be able to decide that, yeah, I think I'm coming in the 2 to 4 category or 3 to 4 category, 5 to 6 category. What I have covered, and according to that, what marks I'm getting. Okay, these are again few links that I thought were very important for you. This is a YouTube video for I forgot what this was, but something important. I forgot what it was. This video is about how sample eyes are corrected. Okay, so whatever, it may be half an hour or whatever. But why am I asking you to see the correction? Because if you come to know how is it corrected, you will prepare accordingly. Like, why do we see the mark scheme? Now, why do we refer to the mark scheme when we prepare for exams? Why do we see the mark scheme? Because mark scheme guides us. Mark scheme is something that tells us that this is the way your answer will be corrected. So once we are used to referring to that mark scheme, when you give the answer in the exam, you can also visualize that, oh, ye question again, so mark scheme mein ye hoga. I'm sure this is the 3 marks question. So 3 marks, mark scheme must be having 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this. Why? Because you have dealt with mark scheme so many times. These are the examples of secondary data and simulation. So I think this is definitely essential to you. And this is a very important one. Here I found out that, in this there is this is in thinking ka hai. But in thinking, think IB hai, which is in thinking ka hai. And here there is one, they have given one IA which was scored 7 on 24. They have shown that. Then the person, he added, like how he modified that IA and converted into 24 on 24. Okay, so they have shown the original work in different ink and the modifications in different ink. So I think black and red. So black ink mein jo hai, that was the original work. and uska grading is given. Person engagement में कितना, exploration में कितना, analysis में कितना है, that they have given. And then in the same file, they have also mentioned something in red. So red is something that this person added, and then it was again given to the same examiner, and he awarded 24 on 24. So I think you should go through these. This comes later, like whatever I'm saying, how this is corrected, that is later. That is when you start to write your work. But before you start deciding your topic, I think you should go through the topic, okay, and some of these examples. First of all, go through examples, freeze on the topic, and the other things like these will really help you. How, like, trust me, you can say that, yeah, my AI is good, or my AI is not good. I think it needs this point. You'll get ideas from the other people's corrected work, which I have included. And this is all available on the net. I didn't spend much time finding out and downloading it. So it's a ready-made work that I'm giving you. Just go through these files, but go through these files. Spend some time. Rather than looking for the shortcut. Spend some time. And my genuine suggestion: let this be your own work. That's most important. Trust me. Again, I'm saying marks are really not important. You think that those who got poor score are doing bad in their life today, and those who got 7 on 7 are doing the best? No, it may be the other way around. Because the one who has done the job on his own, yeah, his work may not be graded that well, but at least he has learned how to do the work. Understand? So that's more important. And that's more important than anything else. Okay, so make sure, as I said earlier also, my help is, again, you decide. Why don't I help you? Because I don't want to do that. Matlab, it's fine. Matlab, see, I get even calls from out of India and out of Mumbai, other states, other cities in India, that help in IA. But I say no. Yeah, I say that you start the work, I will back you up, I will follow you up, I will help you on that, I will support you on that. But I will not do the work for you. And it's not difficult. I have so many examples where the child academically in chemistry is not as good as many of you. But the work is excellent work. Understand? Results may be wrong. What you are finally finding out may be rubbish, scrap. Doesn't matter. That is really not matter. That is not important. What is important is, have you collected the data scientifically? Have you analyzed it correctly? Have you done the calculations correctly? Have you taken care of the loopholes? Have you taken care of the uncertainties? Okay, have you mentioned all that in your IA? After all this, whatever is the result will be accepted. Like, suppose if you find out the efficiency of Covishield and you find that efficiency of Covishield is 100%, they will not argue on that. What rubbish, 100%? The company is saying 87%, you are saying 100%. Or your finding says that it's only 53%. Again, what rubbish you are saying? 87%, 53%. What are you? Nobody will question you on the result. Nobody will question you on the outcome. The entire IA is assessed on how did you proceed. The procedure is important. Outcome, it may be right, it may be wrong. As I said, that if you want to find the absolute zero, we know the value is minus 273. You can very well manipulate and bring it to minus 273.0. Doesn't mean that you're getting 7. Hello? No. Absolutely no. Okay. It's okay if you get the wrong answer. But how did you arrive at that answer? That path is important. You should think like a scientist. You should act like a scientist. Okay. Of course, the answer may not come accurate because of course, see, like for example, you're using a calorimeter. The calorimeter that you are using is something that is in the school lab. No, your school lab or any school in the world will not have the quality of calorimeter that the research and development of say Hindustan Lever Limited company or Reliance or other research companies, institutions, they have definitely their equipment, their apparatus, and your school apparatus can't be compared. So of course, if they find out something and you find out, the process is important, outcome is not important. So of course, you're going to not going to get the right answer. You don't even run behind it. Don't even run behind it. It's more important to do the procedure in the right way. Okay, so that is that the last page? Yeah. So I'm sending this file to you, and also now this is also, I thought, an important file. Oh, there's biology IA checklist and its heading is chemistry IA checklist. But anyway, it's the same thing. Okay, personal engagement. So this is chemistry only, not bio. I think this heading is wrong. But here, research question may, like, this will help you when you write, like research question may title given, descriptive, yes, concise, a precise and grammatically correct question about the relationship is asked. Question is sufficiently detailed. Like, they in the aspirant ka question, they said that using back titration, precise, measurable, dependent. So they have given the dependent variable, independent variable. That how expensive one and cheaper a tablet, how will they perform after 30 minutes? No, so they have mentioned the time also. I want to see after half an hour which tablet is still doing the job. So, and they're using the back titration method, etc. So this is the checklist that I think this will help you when you start writing. And now this will also help you while you're doing it, because then you need to know, okay, what points should you? Okay, now exploration. Personal engagement, okay, that is okay. Exploration, variable, independent. Have you like this is checklist again? You can check that. Have you included all this? You yourself can do it. You don't need any teacher. You don't need me. You don't need any teacher. Hypothesis. Okay, and you guys are literate enough to understand these statements. If you don't understand, tell me. I will explain you. Background, I think background also has 6 marks. Here also the references are used. At least 5 external sources of authors have been used and described. There is no plagiarism. This leads to a 0. Plagiarism agar hai to seedha 0 hai. And remember that if your IA is moderated, in case if your IA is moderated, and if it is wrongly marked, then you'll be in problem. Background, this checklist will really help you. Controlling variables. Data collection, में what points should you take care? Processing data में, calculations used, included a table, if possible a graph. Data table from appendix is copied and pasted and modified in the include the calculations. Sample calculations are illustrated. Uncertainties are calculated. So these are the checklists that once you do, then you can check. Oh yeah, I have done this. I have done this. This will really make your IA foolproof. Many times you lose marks because your teacher will make a point that uncertainties were not calculated. So she has a reason to give you less marks. So this checklist will help you. It's a like 10 minutes job, but it will help you. Yeah, I have done this, I have done this, I have done this. And if you're missing something, then quickly include that. presenting data, graph, error bars, which is many times, sometimes it is not like the data is such that error bars you can't show, but wherever it is possible, show error bars, maximum and minimum trend lines. So this file will really help you to make your IA full of information and relevant information. Conclusion, what should you do? Evaluation, what should you do? Suggested improvement, further scope for research, references, overall presentation, font size, this is also important. Arial and Helvetica font size 12, no spelling and grammar mistakes, so just check that. So small but important things. That's all. Okay. That's the website, IB Better. If you want to go there and if you want to go there and do more research, do more research. But whatever I've downloaded and what I'm sending is good enough. You can do, but I would say rather say that now start acting now, rather than doing the research. I've done the work for you. I've sent you the files that you need to refer to. So offline may all this is there with you. Just read this and start the work. Now this is one example, determining the acid dissociation constant for methyl red indicator. So this is a sample IA and it's a draft. I think this is one of the students guys. Sorry, this is not downloaded. How the pictures are also taken, then picture labeling, figure 6.1, 6.2, etc. No, this is downloaded one. This is downloaded one. So this also I'm sending. Template may, read through this also. Like research question, what should you mention? A specific question with a measurable outcome should combine your independent and dependent variable. The way the aspirant question was framed. So how do you frame that? Introduction, what should you do? Background, what should you do? Hypothesis. So just go through this. Each point is like 4-5 lines. So at least you get a guideline that how should you think and how should I do my work. So this again, you can go through this. Student guide. This is again the different guides from. This is same thing. This is same thing as one of the other files. So it's okay. You may ignore this. Either ignore this or ignore the previous one because it's saying the same thing. Okay, but this will help you, like recording raw data. How do you do that? Table organization must have a title. Cell contains only one value. Table shows grid lines, etc. So. Okay. Yeah.
So where are you sending these files?
Sorry?
Where are you sending these files?
I'll send on the group.
Group, okay.
Yeah.
Anjam sir?
Yeah, okay.
After we decided a topic, we message you with a topic and then you'll approve it, right? Or do we just go ahead with it?
No. If you want to go ahead, you can go ahead. But
but we can message you, right?
Don't give me one topic. Huh?
Yeah, fine.
At least 3. You can give me 5, 10, 20, but at least 3.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, now these are the IAs which are sample IAs on the IBO website. Okay, so if this is structural isomerism, I think this is secondary. Secondary data ka hai. Yeah, because this may you can't do the primary, so this is secondary data ka hai. So secondary data se kiya hua hai. So you can go through this. Yeah, the topic may not make sense to the JNI students because you have not done organic. But if you read organic, but don't do that. Don't waste time. Rather than that, you start the topic which you already have learned, like kinetics, equilibrium, ये सब तो already हुआ है. Periodicity hai. So something like that you can learn. So there are two more IAs which this is VSCPR, again secondary data hai. Because VSCPR mein you cannot have primary, no? This is all secondary data. So how they have taken the secondary data? Agar simulation hai to simulation. But I think that one of them had a simulation also. हाँ, trial 1 trial 2 है, मतलब simulation होगा ये. नहीं, actual experiment है. The pictures है, qualitative analysis of oxidation of sodium potassium nitrate tartrate by hydrogen peroxide. Yeah. Yeah. Also, one of the the link that I have sent, usme there is a list where like it opens a web page where there is a table, and jisme I think it's from IB only. It's ibo.org hai ya IB in think hai. I think in thinking hai something hai. Usme there are several topics given, several topics. Yeah, I think IB ka hi. And they have also tabulated that which ones out of these are the data-based secondary data hai, which are simulation and which are actual experiment. And if you click the topic, then it opens. Suppose agar simulation hai, so it will open the entire work. More details about that. So you do that. If suppose something excites you, click that topic. It's one of the link I have sent, the yellow shaded one and the red text ones. Usme se ek mein hai. So, and if in case if you don't find it, then let me know. I think it must be there in my history, so I can send you. But I think I have included that. So that is also important. That will also help you to select the topic. And usme you will also come to know that which is the simulation based and which is the secondary database. Acha simulation mein to simulation kaun sa website hai, that is also given. Agar secondary data hai to secondary data kahan se liya hai, that is also given. So you don't have to copy that because that is already done. But that may give you an idea. You may just modify it a little and want to find out something else. Okay, but all this I'm saying should be secondary. First, let it come from within you. If that happens, and that's a good doable topic, trust me, delete all these files. Yeah, okay, the guidelines wala keep it. Of course, you need the checklist and all, but IA topics just delete, because if something is coming from you and which is doable, nothing on earth is better than that for you, because it's come from you. So that's the best topic for you. If you see the topics, again, there are some certain web pages where I read that the examiners are saying that there are topics which are same topics are repeated, but the examiner said that it doesn't matter. It is literally impossible that every year lakhs of IB students do the research. So every year you have to come out with a different question, which is not done in the past so many years. Though I have started from 2016, but usse pehle extended essay tha na. Extended essay is similar. So so wo bhi hai. Acha, I have extended essay also. Do you think that will help you? Yeah, I will send that also, those files also. Extended essays, but large scale IA hai wo. IA is a small scale, like 6 to 12 pages, and IB this thing is like 4,500 5,000 words about. So which is much more, but that is a large scale. But usme at least some topics may help you. Maybe you can do a small scale investigation of that, maybe not as detailed as done in the extended essay. And usme I have on the file name, I have also the name may only I have written the marks obtained. Like one of the EE scored 8 out of 36, 18 out of 36, 36 on 36 wala bhi ek EE hai. 17 on 36 and 27 on 36. So you may only look for the good ones, or you may for a change look for a not good one also, because that may give an idea okay, what is not good, because in the assessment, it's corrected one. It's IV. So you can see the notations from the examiner, the comments and all. So you will learn from their mistakes. But that's extended essay. I think इसमें sample IA में नहीं corrected नहीं है. But वो एक corrected में I told you one IA is there where low score one was converted into a high score. So 7 on 24 was converted into 24 on 24, which is like almost 4 times jump. So I think this stuff will help you. Okay, so I'm going to send you most of the stuff. I am leaving it to you to go through it, and that will give you an insight. I mean, the number of topics you saw that at least 150 plus topics were there. So something will definitely excite you. And the guidelines, everything is given to you. Okay, now I'm done with whatever I had to say. Now, anything that you want to ask?
So like all the example topics and all, and the sample IAs that you're giving, like we use them to run. If we don't have an idea yet, we get some like context.
You can, but of course, just to avoid the plagiarism, you need to frame it differently. See, understand one thing, right? Okay, fine. I'll give you one example. If I give you one topic, okay, there is this Tropicana, real, and some, I don't know, some B something is there, B natural. That's another brand. Okay, so B natural, Tropicana, and real. If you actually taste any one flavor, say guava juice, guava or mango or any even mixed fruit, take one flavor, 3 brands, and take samples and taste it. You'll find a difference in the taste. It's not exactly the same. Okay. So if I just tell you that definitely these companies, though they claim that they use 100% real fruit, it's difficult. It's difficult, and no preservatives. That's, I mean, you need to understand that if you at home, if you make a real fruit juice, you actually get mango or pineapple or oranges, and you make a juice out of it, and you refrigerate it. How long can you refrigerate it? Can you refrigerate it for 6 months, and after 6 months, if you drink, will it taste the same, or it will spoil? What do you feel?
Spoil.
It will spoil. Okay, so definitely there are some preservatives. Okay, so and those who have learned esters, we know that the taste of the fruit is because of the esters. So every fruit naturally contains a specific ester. So when I make a synthetic fruit juice or artificial, I just need to make that ester. So you can find out that is any brand having that ester, which is there in mango, which tastes like, which gives the taste of mango, the flavor of mango, and what is the percentage of that, versus the real mango pulp agar hai. So this is the topic I suppose I gave you. Everybody has to do the same thing. I did not give you raw data. I just gave you the topic. These 3 brands, take samples, find out. Now, if suppose amongst you, nobody is contacting each other for the next 10 days, and you have to finish the IA in next 10 days. Is it possible, or is it likely that any 2 work will have stark similarities, like framing of the word, readings, experiments, pictures? Do you think that there will be similarities?
No.
If you independently do, yeah, of course. If suppose Abhinav calls Yashil, hello, dude, what are you doing? Yeah, you read this. How did you do that? Okay, now Abhinav copies. Yeah, of course, I will find somewhere in the Abhinav or Yashil ka kuch to same hai. But suppose if you do not touch each other at all in the next 10 days and till you finish, there is very less chance that there will be plagiarism. So you may take the topic to same hai na sabka, but 0 plagiarism. Understand, Ahan? And everybody?
Yeah.
So don't worry about the topic, understand? Topic should be doable. Topic should be doable. If it is little, like something new, yeah, better. Something new, better, yeah. But otherwise, even a topic of like finding out vitamin C in orange juice, you know, or different citrus fruits, that's also fine. That's fine. But as I said, that will carry very less marks. The more marks will be there. You saw the criterion. How do you present that? And trust me, IB will be more bothered about that. You know, so that's the entire gist of this. See, what is making IB different than A level? Just 1 minute. I'll just charge my laptop. Yeah, okay. So why is IB different than A level? Because A level there is no extended essay, there is no TOK, there are no CASRs, there is no internal assessment, no like personal investigation like this. It's only book. Multiple choice questions, structured questions, alternate to practicals type of, and that's it. No, that's not holistic education. Yeah, that is bookish. But what is making IB different than A level is this, that here the student is not just taking what is given to him, but he's also generating something on his own. And that learning is something that you cannot compare to anything. That is getting educated. That is called as getting educated. In A level, I would say what happens there is you're getting qualified. But yeah, of course, education is there because there also you learn. But here the learning has a different methodology. You know, so this is what is making IB different than A level. So A levels in any other board, ISC, CBSE, any other board. So what I would suggest is that enjoy your work. Enjoy your work. You know, you should feel like a scientist, a small scale scientist. It's okay. My work is not something that I can publish, and I'm not getting award for that. But at least it's my work. I found out something. You know, you can, even after many years, you can tell your children or later on other people that I investigated this. I did the laboratory work and investigated that this is this. So it's like a scientist. So do not miss that opportunity and do it wholeheartedly and enjoy doing it. I'm telling you, your work the outcome will be good. If you enjoy doing it, your outcome has to be good. Okay. But do not, please, I would suggest don't go for shortcuts. Okay. Yeah. Anything else? Okay. Nothing. Okay. So I'm going to.
I had a question. I had one question.
Yeah.
So you said choose topics from what we've already done, right? So, but so like in IS,
choose what? Choose topics.
Like you said. So I'll ask you about.
No, I'm saying you can choose. I'm saying you can choose. Like
because so like organic chemistry, it seems like it's very in depth. So it seems like you can find something interesting over there. But since IB organic we haven't done yet, would you advise us to choose from there or?
Yeah, I will, because in the past I have students who have chosen from organic, and when the chapter was not done. Okay, so what I can do is that in that case, I have videos of great like your seniors where I have taught them. So entire organic chemistry का पूरा chapter का video है. I can send you those videos.
Yeah, okay, fine, sir. Because
so वो isomerism वगैरह हो गया, you know that polarimetry and उसका secondary data मिल जाएगा.
Okay, fine.
Okay, the cis and trans isomerism, E and Z isomerism. Secondary data पे you can think of something there. Okay, so वो that I can see. I can send you the video because organic is a big chapter. So of course I cannot take those classes now. I think SVKM is doing this, right? Are you there, Karnika?
Yes, sir.
So you started organic now, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm doing with them. So in case, but that will take weeks. So it's better that you watch those videos and learn. Okay, and uske baad bhi, if you want a small explanation, yeah, I can do that. But again, once again, I'm saying that don't expect me to do the work for you. I would not do that at any cost. At any cost, I would not do that. No, it's not about money. It's not about anything else. It's the entire idea is then failed. Understand that if you want, I can give you numbers. They do IA for you. Do nothing. Enjoy your vacation. They will do IA for you. They will probe you also on Viva. In case if any oral questions are asked, they will also probe you on that. They will do. But I don't want that to happen. Understand? I mean, I don't want you to go for any unethical way. Let the work be of your own. I mean, you are my students, and as a teacher, I have to teach you chemistry. But I think more than that, it's more important to teach more important aspects than just chemistry. So that is more important. Again, I'm saying, trust me, because I have been teaching IBDP since more than 10 years, 15 years. So I have students whom I have taught more than a decade ago. And today there are entrepreneurs and they are working and they have their own businesses. And trust me, today, their marks don't count at all. But what counts is how did they approach? That will go with you through your life. That will go with you through your life. So IA is something that is an opportunity. See, the general chemistry which we do in the weekday class, that's a different ball game. IA is something I want you to, everybody spend your time. It may be difficult for somebody, it may be easier for somebody. Lekin jiske liye difficult hai, I'm saying don't give up. Don't give up. Go ahead, read the book. You know, read these files. They will guide you. They will give you an idea. Okay, if you're genuinely stuck somewhere, contact me. Again, I will just give you a hint. I will not suggest anything for you to you. Okay, do this. I will not do that, because at the end of it, you will not take the sense of ownership of the work. It's my work. It's not your work. No? So, and as I said, that eventually the work will come out good and you'll be happy about it, rather than going for a shortcut. This way you'll be happier. Being happy is more important. Understand? That is more important than getting something which is rather that you got it, but you're not happy about it. You took a shortcut. That may not be completely ethical. So don't go for that. Please don't go for that. So again, I'm saying I will not help you. I will not do the spoon feeding to you, but scaffolding, hand holding, I will do. That I will do. But let the work be of your own. Right from the beginning till the end, it's your work. Okay, I've given you references. You have the format. You have the criterion. You have examples. You have corrected IAs. You have 150 plus topics. I think that's good enough. You think there is anything else that you need? Tell me. I will do that for you. Apart from spoon feeding, anything else I will do, because spoon feeding is not educating. And that's more important. Okay. Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay. Still, if anybody has any other questions later on, you can always message to me on the group or on personal chat, whatever. But let's start the work. Okay, let's start the work. And I've told you my role. Decide the topic. We will brainstorm on that. Okay, then you're on your own. Then I will come again in the picture when your job is done. Like you have made the work, you have made the IA, it's done. You have, because I've given you everything. So you don't need to come back to me, sir, should I include uncertainty? Should I label this? You know, I mean, I've given you all the details. I mean, what I have given you, it's there on the net. It's there on the, just Google and you'll find all the information. So just you do the checking yourself. And before you, like after you finish that, yeah, according to me, I think I have included everything. This is done. Sir, just go through this. Now, before I submit to the teacher. Okay, then I will go through the work. There I will, if I find out that something is missing or something could have been done in a different way, a better way, I would suggest that. Okay, so, but again, that will be just suggestion, that will be just hinting, that will be not doing the work for you. Okay, so it was your work. One point somewhere where if I feel that, you know, instead of this, if you could have found out this or this also, then it would give you more weightage. Then I would just give you that idea. Then again, you have to implement it. Okay, this way, at least at the end of the work, you can say that, look, this is my work. I have done it. Okay, single. Okay, on my own. So, okay, then I'm sending all these files to you on WhatsApp, because I think emails will take too much time to think. WhatsApp is better, and anyone can contact me anytime, but not for the spoon feed. Okay, chalo, you guys take care and good luck.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Hi, sir. Thank you.
Bye.